9 tips for a comfortable life during the rainy season in Japan. Hello, this is Yumi. Today I'm going to talk about the rainy season in Japan. We will find out how life is at home during the rainy season, and you should know how to survive this very unpleasant period with some useful ideas. Contents. 1. Is the rainy season in Japan gloomy? 2. For a comfortable life. 3. 3 ideas for washing methods. 4. 3 ideas for indoor environment. 5. 3 self-management of mind and body. 6. Summary. 1. Is the rainy season in Japan gloomy? The rainy season is the period from the end of May to the middle of July in Japan, when there are many cloudy and rainy days. This gloomy phenomenon is seen not only in Japan but also in southern China and South Korea. However, it is said that there is no rainy season in Hokkaido, which is the northernmost part of Japan. One of the things I'm worried about when it rains continuously is the humidity in the room. The rainy season, when it rains and the humidity exceeds 80%, makes it difficult to keep both yourself and your place fine and comfortable. Is it the only way to endure the season when everyone feels depressed and wait for the end of the rainy season? 2. For a comfortable life. The etymology of the kanji notation 梅雨、梅雨, rainy season, is not clear. There are 3 popular theories. We call this time of the year 梅雨、梅雨 because 1. The plants are about to ripen. 2. Its high humidity and easy growth of mold. The season is also called 梅雨, mold rain, and then it changed to the same sounds, kanji, 梅雨. 3. Since it rains every day, we started to use the kanji every day, 毎日. It changed to 梅. Due to rain and humidity, there are some problems in everyday life. I'm sorry I have to talk about an unpleasant topic. However, I cannot talk about the rainy season if I avoid it, so I will talk about it. 1. The laundry does not dry. It doesn't dry even after a whole day. 2. Worries about the growth of mold and mites. I definitely want to prevent it. 3. Feeling heavy both in mind and body. The characteristics of the rainy season make me tired both physically and mentally. Something has to be done. By the way, mold leads to the growth of mites, so I would like to first consider how to remove this mold. In fact, molds that tend to grow in homes grow in the presence of oxygen, air, when there is suitable temperature, suitable humidity, and nutrient source. On average, the temperature of the rainy season exceeds 20 degrees Celsius on many days. It can exceed 25 degrees Celsius on summer days. Humidity is usually around 70%, but there are days when it exceeds 80%. This environment of temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and humidity of about 70% is a condition in which mold in the house can easily grow. Here are some measures that can be taken right now. 3 ideas for washing methods. Bacteria that cause odors on laundry propagate in places with moisture. You need to dry it as quickly as possible. I've heard the guideline of drying within 5 hours to prevent the increase of germs. There are 3 ways to do this. 1. Manually set the water level for one more higher level. You can further reduce dirt and germs that cause odors. 2. Set the dehydration time a little longer. 3. Dry well. It will be easier to dry if you leave a space of 10 centimeters to 15 centimeters between the laundry. If you want to dry it inside the house, you need to choose a well-ventilated place by opening the windows. 4. 3 ideas for indoor environment. 1. Cleaning. In addition to the usual cleaning, it is effective to use sodium hypochlorite. Chemical formula is NaClO for sterilization. 2. Futon dryer with the anti-stick mode. When you press the anti-stick button, hot air of 70 degrees Celsius maximum is emitted to get rid of mites from the futon. And more, it is also effective to put snoko, a slated wood duckboard or dehumidifier in the closet when you put the futon in the closet. 3. UVC light, which is virus suppression light source for disinfection and sterilization. Ultraviolet rays, UV, have a shorter wavelength than visible light and are roughly transferred into UVA, UVB, and UVC in descending order of wavelengths. The light is invisible to the human eye and is known to be harmful to living things when exposed to direct light, but it is also effectively used in various aspects of life. UVC light is capable of destroying the DNA and RNA of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, etc. If you use it in a room, bathroom, washing machine, or toilet, you can sterilize the surface in about several minutes. It is safe for users to use extension cords and timers to prevent them from being exposed to UVC light. 5. 3 self-management of mind and body. During the rainy season, the body may feel gloomy due to the influence of atmospheric pressure. It is due to the accumulation of water in the body. The human body sweats when it's hot and evaporates the sweat to lower the body temperature. However, Due to the high humidity, sweat does not evaporate well, making it easier for the body to store heat and water. As a result, the water that does not go out of the body causes dullness and swelling. 1. Nourish your mind. When you want to take a rest, do so. Talk to people about what you have in your mind. Spend your time doing what you like to do, like hobbies. 2. Nourish your body. Let's eat summer vegetables. Summer vegetables have the effect of cooling the body. In particular, cucumber not only lowers the body's heat, but also has a diuretic effect, so it can drain excess water from the body. By the way, azuki, red beans, also has a diuretic effect, so this is especially recommended. But don't forget to do some light exercise that makes you sweat. 3. Let's take the rainy season to our side and find fun. Consider what we can do only during the rainy season. It is the season when hydrangea and iris bloom here and there. It's nice to go out to see the flowers that bloom in the rainy season. There are many things you can do indoors. You can also enjoy reading, watching movies, creative activities, and redecorating your room. 6. Summary. The rainy season lasts up to 1.5 months every year. Since ancient times, the Japanese have conveyed how to spend this season with various ideas. Hydrangeas are found so often here and there, gardens and temples. Perhaps it is to live a richer and healthier life during the rainy season. Tilted balls is one of them. With the wish, I hope it will be sunny tomorrow. 明日天気になれ. Don't let the rain bother you. Enjoy yourself anyway. Thank you for the likes and comments. Thank you for always encouraging me. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any videos in the future. いいねやコメントありがとうございます。いつも励ましてくれてありがとうございます。この動画がいいなと思ったら、いいねボタンを押してくださいね。今後の動画も見逃さないようにチャンネル登録をお願いします。